Sure, it's kind of a long-standing wish, I guess, that our two organizations would be able to work together on a meeting like this. It's been talked about for many years, but we initiated this in the summer of 2025 and started organizing to that point. So it's been, our missions and our visions are very similar, so it's very logical. In fact, both of the organizations have been founded by really the same people. So we're both SIDP and MAD-ID members.
And I'll say SIDP has run a one-day annual meeting to have our business meeting and bring our members together for a reception for many, many years. But we've grown. We're over 2,400 members now, and we're looking to have our own longer meeting. And the MAD-ID team and family has such a rich tradition of hosting this stewardship meeting for 3.5 days every May. And when we were looking for a partner, it really was a natural synergy, and we're really excited. We have the goals of being member-driven. Pharmacists have kind of a specific set of things they're looking for in a meeting, mostly pharmacist-led content, really focusing on optimizing antimicrobials and antimicrobial pharmacotherapy, getting back to our PK/PD roots, basic drug development, trainee investment, and affordability were really important pillars for this. So, MAD-ID had the infrastructure and the meeting time of year, and it was a natural partnership. So we're very, very excited to move forward.
Well, as Aaron talked about, our hope is to bring the latest pharmacotherapeutics, the latest science together at one show. And there's a lot of missing gaps out there in different meetings, but we feel that we can put it all together with antimicrobial therapeutics and optimizing care.
Yeah, there's going to be clinical infectious diseases, antimicrobial stewardship, PK/PD, again, drug development, pipeline antibiotics, and really how that all plays in pharmacotherapy, which is really our heart and soul. We have already another really nice partnership with the ESCMID PK/PD study group and ISAP, which is a pharmacology society. So we'll be hosting a PK/PD workshop the first day of the meeting. The dates for next year are May 22nd to May 26th, 2027. Save the date. We're really excited, and we'll be hosting it in Baltimore, Maryland next year. Beautiful, on the water, on the harbor. So we really hope everyone can join us.
Well, I think there are meetings that are all science and no clinical applications, for example. There are meetings out there now that are all clinical applications and less science, for example. We hope to split the two and have both clinical applications and the latest science, again, advancing therapeutics, as Aaron has mentioned, and optimizing antibiotic therapy, or antimicrobial therapy, I should say.
Yeah, and that we think the name says it all. So antimicrobials, it's going to be all about taking care of patients with infections and optimizing antimicrobials. So.